Ucara, a revolutionary patented wall system developed by Uni-Lock to unleash incredible design opportunities for landscape designers, architects, and contractors. Intelligent design, optimal size, and versatility beyond any other wall system makes Ucara a game changer for the hardscape industry. Ucara is composed of two easy-to-handle components, Ucara fascia panels and SureTrack backer blocks. Both sides of the SureTrack backer block feature precision-molded SureTrack rails. Ucara fascia panels hang securely on these rails. Simply clad one or both sides of the SureTrack backer block to create incredible walls, steps, pillars, and other hardscape features. SureTrack backer blocks come in two sizes, standard and large. The standard SureTrack backer block is designed for constructing walls under 18 inches in height, two-sided seat walls, and landscape features such as grill islands or fireplaces requiring a hollow inside. The large SureTrack backer is used to construct landscape walls and planters higher than 18 inches, as well as corners, steps, pillars, and privacy fences. The large backers are also intended for higher engineered walls using geogrid reinforcement. When using the large backer to construct corners or pillars, a SureTrack hanger clip is inserted into channels that are located on one side of the block. Using these clips, you'll be able to hang fascia panels on the side of the block. The channel on the opposite side looks similar, but is used to accommodate the SureTrack rail of an abutting backer block. Each Ucara backer block features a key and channel to facilitate stacking and alignment. Simply place the bottom channel of each block over the top key of the block below to construct vertical walls, or offset the channel to create a 5.5-degree setback for higher walls. The patented SureTrack panel mount system ensures simple and precise placement of the fascia panels anywhere on the wall, vertically or horizontally, depending on your design. Ucara fascia panels are only 2 3/8 inch thick, making them light and easy to handle. Left and right closed-end panels are also available, so you can easily construct 90-degree corners for walls and pillars with minimal cutting. There are many benefits to the Ucara system. Simple to learn, easy to handle, quick to install, and versatile. To learn more about Ucara, be sure to watch Ucara Installation Basics and Constructing Ucara Pillars, Steps, and Other Landscape Features. You may also find it useful to watch Landscape Wall Bases and Block Leveling Options, a comprehensive review of the various techniques in base preparation and wall block placement.